Hey there. So this is how to resize an image in photopea.com. So first thing I did is just went to photopea.com on my browser, and now I have this image of a flower and I want to resize it. So what I can do is you could just select the image by clicking on it right here on the left, the right side dock. And then once you do that, if you look at the top, you're gonna see a panel of options. So you need to click on Edit, and then there's gonna be this drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you could just click on Free Transform. Or if you're using a Mac, you could just click on Option, Command, and T. That's the keyboard shortcut for it. So I'll just click on that, and then once you do that, you're gonna find a border with like all these squares that's surrounding the image. So you just go to one of these squares on the corner and just click and drag, and the image is getting resized. So you can just resize it as much as you want, and you can just like change it like that. And if you want it to be like very specific, you have these metrics over here. So you can change the x-axis, so the width and the height. So you can change them to whatever pixels you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to resize an image in Photopea. Hope that video is helpful.